What's up? It's me, your representative from the College of Criminal Justice Education. I'm Angel, and I'm 21 years old from the College of... Ay! Sorry, can I do that?
Hindi, okay lang.
Kaya,
Iwasan mo tumingin dito tumingin ka kanina.
Stop ka dyan. 5, 4... Ketawa.
Hey, what's up? It's me, Angel, your BJ representative from the College of Criminal Justice Education. About me, I'm Angel. I think I already said that, right? Newsflash. Memory gap strikes again. Ang bawal ng ko, ang bawal ng floor. I think my fellow criminology students know whose famous line is this, right? I third lang ba? Anyway, about me, I was born on July 23, 1986, and I love pwede bang ulitin?
Oo, nakakat na lang.
About me, my personality is quite different, but I'm not eccentric. I'm fun, spontaneous, and adventurous. I love hiking, and I love the outdoors. I love appreciating everything that Mother Nature has in store for us. And I can say that I'm one of the boys, because I enjoy a thing or two that most of them enjoy. Like, started shooting, wall and rock climbing, you name it. And, well, although I'm in touch with my masculine side, I can say that I'm your typical kind of girl who loves to shop. Shop for bags, clothes, shoes, and perfume. But the reason why I joined this competition is to conquer my fear of stage. I have stage fright. I'm not really confident. So whether I win or not this competition, this is a really big achievement for me. So thank you for making it possible.
Nakita niyo mo ba?
No, no.